Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can zoom picture in Canva or how you can make a magnifying effect on Canva. So in order to do so, first thing, open up your web browser and then on the search box, type in the link or paste in the link, that is www.canva.com, and I'll also make sure to leave it on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Now on this interface, you need to select the project or you need to create a design. After you open your project, now what you need to do is, in order to make a magnifying effect, first thing you need to select the image. Now for example, I'm just going to look for the image. So in order to make a magnifying effect, you need to left click on your mouse, and after that you need to drag it as much as you want. And similarly, do the same procedure with the rest of the other side. You can see in the left hand side, in the same procedure, just drag it, and right on top you can see there is the point. Now in order to zoom it, you need to tap on the point, otherwise you'll not be able to do it in other corners. You need to tap on the points, and after that you can drag it as much as possible. So you can zoom out as well as you can zoom in. So in this way you can make a magnifying effect on your Canva project. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.